155% since beginning of this month in February. This is SMCI we're talking about. We don't talking about like small cap company or penny stock. No, SMCI did 155 in the beginning of this month, and today and yesterday we have a bit of pullback. However, let me just show you what's going on. We didn't have a red day yet. Even today, we are up 2% in the trading session at the moment. We have a pullback yesterday because some of traders took some profit because, as you can see here, a huge pump for SMCI and everybody worrying about the level of resistance that we hit around the 65, which is a major level of resistance. And we're going to discuss, are we going to break it or not? Because around the 65 and 66, we have a major level of resistance. The good thing is, guys, we didn't pull back below the $50 or around the $52. This is signify that we got a big buyer still there. The seller that sold here, they're not a big whale, because we got a big whale who bought the dip again for SMCI. And this is show us that SMCI is still in the right direction, of course, to hit maybe the $100 for this month. We're gonna discuss that in this video, guys. So hit the like button and subscribe, because we always go live every day. Yesterday, we traded a few stocks like Unity, when we said that the price will have a good reversal over the 1914. We suggest this is the support. We reversed from there and we hit the 25. Let me just show you. Unity is the top gainer for today after a huge earning, guys. 57% suppress, 27% and 57% suppress in the earnings today. After the drop, the earnings today in pre-market, we reverse up. And of course, for CVNA, reversing from our bottom right now. And of course, we discussed CVNA yesterday for our hunter to buy the dip around the 236, and of course we started to reverse from there. And we discussed Walmart for buying the dip around the 96. And let me just show you what's happened for Walmart. Of course, we got a reversal for Walmart right now over this support. Let me just show you exactly. Yes, over the 94, and here we said around the 96. So we started to reverse. Now the price is around the 97. So guys, if you want to have entry for those stocks, where to buy the dip, where the price will reverse at, you can join us on our Discord and Bitcheon, guys, where we do every time pre-market update, watch list, live streaming, respond on your questions, of course, do short analysis update. Everything in the link comment section below if you want to join us to our Discord and Bitcheon. Meantime, let's talk about SMCI. Now, of course, today the volume is over the 100 million. If you remember yesterday, we are just closed the market around the 90 million. And right now you see the volatility coming back after the drop that we had yesterday. We've got another drop at the market open, and now we reversing in the green. So this is a good reaction that SMCI, we didn't have a pullback down. This is a correction. The sell-off, if the price broke the 52 and went toward the 45. Yes, this is we'll call kind of a sell-off and panic selling. But for today, SMCI didn't break the 52.59. I was watching for this dip, but we didn't even test it. Is mean we have a good buyer over the 52.59, and we reverse. Now let us discuss the resistance where the price should break next time for SMCI, which is the 66, guys. 66.35, which is the most important level that we have to break. Yesterday we tested this level in the power hour and the price pulled back. How much? Let me just show you. We pulled back technically 16%, but this is nothing because we already did 155% up in the span of just 2 weeks, or in the span of 20 days. So this is not a big deal. This is still called a correction. So what we should do right now, we might have a bit of consolidation in coming days before the 66. If we don't even test it, we should hold over the 52.50 in order to confirm that we're gonna break the 66 in the end of this month, or before even the end of this month, to go toward the 75.84, the first next target after we break the 66, and this will give us right now it's the 1% from the 61 until the 675. This is 22% jump for SMCI. We might do it in just 2 days easily if we have the volatility like right now, and of course if we broke the resistance in the coming days. But we need to hold over this 52.59 because if we broke this level of support, it means we're gonna have a nosedive toward the 45.82. And you know what's gonna happen here? Of course, this will be the best dip, for my opinion, for SMCI if we went there. If we went there from the 52 here, this will be another 13%. The same drop that happened here, 16, 15%. Normally the case that SMCI will do if we broke the 52. But in the scenario right now, in the current situation, we might have a consolidation, no flush, because now we confirm there's a big buyer here. As long as we hold the 52, 59, and we continue the good news that we have, and a lot of FOMO right now, everybody looking at SMCI, the volatility. Look at this, guys. We have many stocks, even they have earnings, even Palantir that jumped big time with 179. The only stock that have a huge volume for today. Of course, Nvidia and Palantir and even Intel. It is on the top stocks, but still SMCI, it is number 2 after Palantir. This is really good news for any trader who watching and waiting for another jump for SMCI, guys. It's not over. The jump is just preparing again for another squeeze up. So this is just the beginning, guys. If we still holding the 52, the hype for SMCI will continue in order to go toward the $100, of course, marathon for SMCI. And as we said before, the last video, we said if we got 5 days back-to-back green candles, this will be the first warning sign for a pullback, like what we have here. We have 5 green candles, then we have a consolidation. Here, the same. We have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles, and of course the consolidation will start from tomorrow and the next week before another jump. So this is the best case scenario. Consolidation, not a flush. Okay, consolidation, not flush. Like here, we have a bit of breather. Here, we're gonna have a bit of breather before we go toward the 100 target for SMCI before the end of this month. This will be a really great if we hit the $100. This will enter the world Guinness record for SMCI to go toward the $100 from the 25 until the $100 in just 1 month. So let me know, guys, in comment section below. Are we gonna do that before the end of this month, hitting the $100? This will be really great. Let me know in comment section below, and see you by tomorrow, of course, on our live streaming around 9 a.m. Eastern time, and before that around 7 a.m. Eastern time on our Discord and Patreon if you want to have the preparation, the watch list that we do daily, the entry and exit for many stocks. Thank you for watching. Press the like button and the way in, and see you by tomorrow, everybody. Thank you for watching.